This fruit and vegetable washing machine is your ultimate kitchen companion for cleaner, healthier produce. It uses advanced technology to remove dirt, pesticides, and harmful residues from fruits, vegetables, meat, and more. With a compact design and easy one-touch operation, it fits effortlessly into any modern kitchen. This device is eco-friendly, requiring no harsh chemicals, just water and innovation. It's perfect for families who prioritize food safety and wellness. This is how you bring peace of mind to every meal. This Melon Baller Scoop is the perfect tool for effortlessly creating uniform fruit balls and stylish garnishes. This all-in-one set includes a melon baller, carving knife, and scoop to make food prep fun and creative. This versatile kitchen gadget is ideal for melons, strawberries, kiwis, and even butter. This sturdy and ergonomic design ensures easy handling and precise results every time. This is a must-have for party platters, fruit salads, and decorative dishes. This fruit bowl brings a blend of elegance and practicality to your kitchen. Crafted with a sleek and modern design, it keeps your fruits neatly organized while enhancing your countertop decor. The open wire design promotes even air circulation, helping your produce stay fresh longer. Its sturdy metal construction ensures durability and long-lasting use. Perfect for fruits, vegetables, or even decorative items, this bowl is a stylish addition to any home. This water dispenser pump offers a convenient and effortless way to pour water from large bottles. Designed with a one-touch button, it ensures smooth and consistent water flow every time. This pump features a rechargeable battery, USB charging, and is compatible with most standard-sized water bottles. This compact and portable design makes it perfect for home, office, or outdoor use. This dispenser is made with BPA-free materials, ensuring safe and healthy drinking water. This meat tenderizer is the perfect upgrade for your kitchen arsenal. Designed to fit seamlessly with all KitchenAid stand mixers, it transforms tough cuts into tender, juicy perfection. The stainless steel blades work efficiently to break down fibers, enhancing flavor and texture. Whether you're prepping steak, chicken, or pork, this tool ensures consistent results every time. Easy to attach, clean, and built to last, it's a must-have for meat lovers and home chefs alike. This rolling egg holder is the perfect solution for organizing and accessing your eggs with ease. This rolling design automatically brings eggs forward for a seamless grab-and-go experience. This clear, durable container holds up to 18 eggs and fits neatly in most refrigerators. This space-saving organizer keeps your fridge tidy while showcasing your eggs at a glance. This divided serving tray is the perfect solution for stylish and organized food presentation. With multiple compartments, it keeps snacks, fruits, nuts, or appetizers neatly separated. The clear lid ensures freshness while making it easy to see what's inside. Made from durable, food-grade materials, it's ideal for parties, gatherings, or everyday use. Its modern design adds elegance to any table setting. Whether you're hosting or storing, this tray makes serving simple and classy. This collapsible dish basin is the perfect space-saving solution for your kitchen, camping, or RV needs. Designed for versatility, it works great as a dish tub, vegetable washer, or even an ice bucket. The built-in drain plug allows quick and easy water release without lifting the basin. Made from durable, BPA-free material, it's safe for everyday use. Its collapsible design makes storage effortless, saving you precious space. Whether you're at home or on the go, this basin makes cleaning up a breeze. This travel electric kettle is your perfect companion for quick and easy hot drinks on the go. Designed to be compact and lightweight, it fits effortlessly into your travel bag or luggage. With fast heating capabilities, you can boil water for tea, coffee, or instant meals in just minutes. The stainless steel interior ensures safe, odor-free boiling every time. This mini kettle also features boil-dry protection and automatic shut-off for worry-free use. Ideal for travelers, office use, or small living spaces. This baby bottle drying rack is the perfect solution for organizing and air drying your baby's bottles, nipples, pacifiers, and more. This rack features multiple prongs to hold bottles upright, ensuring fast and hygienic drying. This compact and sleek design fits neatly on any kitchen counter without taking up much space. This drying rack is made with BPA-free, food-grade materials for your baby's safety. This easy-to-clean accessory keeps feeding essentials dry and ready for use. This innovative baby bathtub set is designed to make bath time gentle, easy, and enjoyable. The first year's rain shower baby bathtub set features a soothing spa-like shower to rinse your baby with a soft, calming stream. This set grows with your baby, offering 3 stages for newborns to toddlers. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and safety during every bath. With its convenient, easy-to-clean components, it's a must-have for new parents. This all-in-one tub brings a touch of luxury to your baby's daily routine. This boot scrubber is built to handle the toughest messes with ease. Featuring heavy-duty bristles on all sides, it effectively removes dirt, mud, and debris from boots and shoes. Its sturdy, non-slip base ensures stability during use, whether it's placed at the job site, home, or garage. Designed for all-weather durability, it stands up to daily wear and tear. Easy to install and even easier to use, it's the perfect tool to keep your floors clean. This portable gas stove system delivers consistent performance in all weather conditions, even in extreme cold. Designed with an integrated pressure regulator, it ensures efficient fuel use and steady heat output. The compact all-in-one design includes a pot, stove, and lid for ultimate portability. Boil water quickly and cook meals easily whether you're hiking, camping, or backpacking. Lightweight yet durable, it's built for serious outdoor adventures. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable cooking gear in any environment. This folding cutting board is a smart solution for mess-free meal prep. Its innovative design features foldable sides that easily guide chopped food into pots or pans without spills. The non-slip base keeps the board steady while you chop, slice, or dice. Made from durable, knife-friendly material, it's built to last through everyday use. The comfortable handle and space-saving design make it perfect for any kitchen. This long-handled golf toilet brush adds a fun twist to bathroom cleaning with its unique golf club design. Crafted for both style and function, it features durable bristles that tackle tough stains with ease. The long handle ensures a comfortable grip and keeps your hands away from splashes. Its compact, decorative look blends humor with practicality, making it a great conversation piece. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.